Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the HP Chromebook. The model is gonna be right here. I'm also gonna put it in the description. This is a 14-inch touchscreen Chromebook. This Chromebook I bought on Black Friday. Price of it was $130. It was a Best Buy. So this was their Black Friday Chromebook. They have another one for $150. I just didn't have enough time to do the unboxing or use it, so I'm gonna unbox it now and I'm gonna use it for about a week and I'll give you guys my honest opinion about it. So as I already mentioned, it's a touchscreen 14-inch. The resolution of the display is not that good. It's only 720p, which, you know, it's gonna be noticeable, but it's still gonna be usable, especially if you can get it around that price for $130 to $150. It's an amazing deal. For $300, not really. There's better Chromebooks out there for around $300. But if you can get it on sale, pretty good deal, even with the screen at 720p. And it also has 220 nits. If you guys not familiar, nits means the screen brightness, how bright it gets. So 220 isn't the best, but it's very usable. And it comes with the Intel processor N3350. It's a pretty decent processor. It's not the best, but it's not bad. It has a 32 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigs of RAM, and as I mentioned, it runs Google Chrome OS. And battery, they say lasts up to 11 hours, but once I use it for a week, I'll do the whole measurements of how long it lasts and how long it takes to charge up. So let's open it and see what's inside. It's nicely packaged, and I believe this is gonna be the charger. Yes, that's about it. So let's see what's inside. Go over the camera a bit. So we got the charger. It comes with a smaller brick, and it's a 2-piece charger. You plug in inside the brick. Pretty long cable, and let's see if it's gonna be USB-C charger. Oh yeah, it is. Which is quite amazing, having USB-C, which means it also has a port that charges, which you can use for something else, I believe. So we'll put this on the side. And next thing, you get the setup manual. I usually never read one of these because all the Chromebooks are the same. So if you know how to use the Chromebook, you probably won't need this. And I believe probably has, oh, this is the warranty. So it has a warranty if you wanna register on an HP website. And let's open it up and see how it looks and feels. I'll put this over here. I'll do the actual review in a week, so I'm not gonna go too much on it. I'll just show you guys how it looks and what ports it has, and I might even start it up. I just don't want to go through all the setup right now because that would take a longer time. So the weight, I'm gonna see how much it weighs, but it's pretty hefty. It weighs, I can tell it's not a light Chromebook. And on this side, if you guys can see, you have the Kensington lock, you have USB-C, which I believe you can charge it on either side. And you have USB 3.1 Type A, which is high speed. And on the other side, you have the headphone out, microphone in jack. You have the micro SD card slot. You have another USB 3.1 Type A. And then you have another USB-C, which again, you can use it to charge it. So you can charge it on the right or left side, which is quite nice. Sometimes you just want to have one side open, so it's nice that they give you option of, choosing. And it doesn't have anything on the back, as you guys can see. And it has that HP logo. It looks nice. It's all plastic, so which is expected from a budget Chromebook. The keyboard, it's plasticky, it's clicky, but we'll see. It has a pretty big trackpad, and as I mentioned, it's a touchscreen, and it has a pretty big speaker grill. As you guys can see, it's by B&O, which every HP laptop has. It's a sound by B&O. And that's about it. I like how big the trackpad is. So you're gonna have, option to use trackpad or using the touchscreen. The one thing I don't like is how big the bezels are. If you guys can see, it has pretty wide bezels on the side, on the bottom, on top. There's a HP camera, and then there's a dual microphones. I'll test that also, but let's start it up and hopefully it has some juice inside. Let's see. I think it's empty. Yeah, so out of the box, you're gonna have to charge it probably for a few hours. So yeah, I can't even show you guys the screen yet, but thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna do the review in about a week. I like to make sure I test everything, the sound, the screen, touchscreen, keyboard, trackpad, and everything. So I'll give you guys my honest opinion once I'm done. Thank you.